How to import data from Google Sheets into Monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can import data from Google Sheets into Monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. Once when you log in, you can see there are some boards that I'm working on, and here are other boards as well on the left hand side. So I'm going to open any board, and then I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then go to apps, and then explore more apps. Here you can write data importer. Here you go. You can click on this, and this is gonna help us connect our Google Sheets with Monday.com. So we can select Google Sheets and click on connect. Alright guys, so I've connected my account right here. So I'm gonna go on Google Sheets and I'm gonna share this. Okay, let's share this. Copy the link and then let's put it here. There you go. We can name the spreadsheet. Let's name it just sheet 1. And let's select all the fields. It gives us option to select fields as well. Do you want this to import into a new board or an already existing board? Let's just do a new board and call it Google board. Here you go. We also have the option of scheduling, that if we want to schedule or post, but that is for the premium one, not if you're using a simple version. And we click on import, and we just have to wait till the task is completed. It's going to take some time, but yeah, it's almost done. Here you go. The import is completed. Let's just go back to the board and see. Here you go. Google board is right here. And this is our sheet that we were using on Monday.com. So here you go. That's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.